Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are once again on the platform of Veet on their rocking pink carpet, the celebrations of beauty by Veet itself.
Take your time to trust in me.
This is Amna Sheikh, and I have with you so many people, so many rocking designers, talent, and everything that we will unfold right before your eyes tonight on this pink carpet of Veet. Veet is a personification of femininity, and that special kind which oozes confidence out of itself. We have with us on the glamorous pink carpet of Veet, Rashmi, representing her brand C'est Moi.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm very, very happy and excited to be here in Pakistan, and I'm very excited to be a part of this amazing event. Like Veet, my label C'est Moi is all about the emancipation of women, about a confident woman, about the inner and outer beauty of a woman. And I think what Veet is doing is very commendable. It's admirable, and I'm glad they're doing something like this. And more so also because I believe they've taken these really young girls, they've given them this incredible platform where they can turn into maybe the future models. And usually these opportunities do not come this easy because some of these girls are from all walks of life. And had it not been for somebody like Veet, I don't think these girls would have gotten that opportunity. So I'm really proud to be a part of this event.
What can we expect from your collection?
My collection is an amalgamation of colors. It's called Celebration of Colors. You'll see very bright colors like reds, oranges, lemons, and turquoise, greens, very deep jewel tones, or you'll see a complete contrast of black and white. So all these colors will play against each other, and it's either very short cocktail dresses or very long, sinewy, flowing kaftans.
Thank you so much for being here, giving us the time, and enjoy the show. What are you expecting from the show tonight?
Expecting to see all the younger generation come up and take over and inspire us more than before.
How do you feel about multinationals coming into Pakistan and creating these kind of opportunities in which we can bring new talent and platforms?
In the interest of the multinationals also to come to Pakistan because it's such a versatile and beautiful land and land of opportunities.
Thank you. So we have with us on this glamorous pink carpet the marketing director of the brand itself, Mr. Tausif Faisal, and his beautiful, gorgeous wife. How are you both doing today?
Very good, very good.
So when you walk down the street of Pakistan and you see international spokespeople and celebrities representing a brand in Pakistan, how do we as a brand, how do we as people flip that?
I think we've started an initiative which is the supermodel. I think it is walking in the same direction. We are taking the talent from the streets, from wherever it can come to us, and we are projecting it. Slowly and gradually that aspirational thing will come to us as well.
With us participating on the pink carpet of Veet, Ali Zishan and Uruj.
I'm excited, coming from Lahore for the Veet in Karachi, a lot of pressure, a lot of, that thing. I have designed my collection in a way that it should complement femininity. Veet is all about women, so I have taken women from different regions.
What do you think Veet being a platform, introducing all of you into the market?
Well, I think it's absolutely amazing because the thing is that, with all these fashion shows that normally occur, like in Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, wherever, because of the supermodels that are present, the new girls are usually looked over because obviously cameras are familiar with their, cameramen are familiar with their faces, so is the audience. So Veet is actually the perfect platform for girls like me, who are just starting out in this business because this gives you, the limelight's on you for those few seconds that you walk.
Okay, what are your expectations from the show?
Honestly, the truth, I know everybody says that it's okay, I don't care who wins. I mean, obviously, I would love to win, but even if I don't, I'm just really glad that I'll get to walk in front of all these people and all these designers and all these photographers, and that's, I think, an opportunity big enough in itself.
Best of luck to you and welcome to the club. So we have the gorgeous Nazneen with us on the pink carpet of Wheat, as beautiful as ever. Nazneen?
Good, very well. This is the 6th one that I'm here. And on the pink carpet, it's always great. Priya does an amazing job. Wheat does it a great show also all the time.
How do you feel now that you've seen Wheat's initiatives grow every single year? Do you feel that it comes with a new bang every year? Do you feel that's going to go along?
This time I went to the press conference also, and I saw something very different and nice over there. And it's like a platform for the newcomers also. Though there are the older ones also, very established ones, a few of them, but she gives a platform, Priya, and the Wheat makes it show that it gives the newcomers a platform, gives the upcoming models a platform. And then, you have to have new blood all the time in everything. Thank you
so much, Nazneen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me.
We have the beautiful Sanam with us on the pink carpet of Wheat, who is waiting anxiously because she's going to show in the next couple of minutes. How are you feeling?
I am a little numb right now. Yeah, let's get backstage and the energy will set in.
What can we expect from you in the show today?
It's a resort line, so it's a lot of solid color, no embellishments, no print, no diamantes.
Excellent, that's great to hear. How do you feel about Wheat taking the initiative to bring designers and models and talent alike forward?
Yeah, I think as far as designers are concerned, they've been doing it, but with this whole Miss Supermodel contest, it's fantastic. It's giving a great platform for young girls to come on, and I've met some of the girls and they're beautiful, they're confident and very groomed.
Excellent, thank you so much, Sanam. You've been wonderful and best of luck for the show. The celebration of beauty continues right here in Pakistan, courtesy of Wheat. We'll meet you right after a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We have with us on the rocking pink carpet, the glamazon of the decade, my personal favorite, Nadia Hussain. How are you?
बिल्कुल ठीक.
What do you expect from the show tonight?
Celebration of beauty is definitely जो हम लोगों को we need to get more of that, क्योंकि हम लोग इतना कुछ और देखते हैं कि जब हमें कोई खूबसूरत चीज़ नज़र आती है तो हमारा दिल खुश हो जाता है. Actually that's the honest truth about it. In this show, the girls who have been introduced, I'm one of the judges, and it's been great because I see a lot of good potential, and I'm very happy.
Thank you for giving us the time to let us know what you think and enjoy the show. The rock star himself, Tapu Jhaveri, on the rocking pink carpet of Wheat. How do you feel about Wheat? Because you've seen it grow right before your eyes when it came in to now. How do you feel?
I think it's a wonderful platform, and apart from in the beginning they only were doing fashion and fashion shows, and now promoting new models, that's a really good thing. And I've been one of the judges, so I have seen backstage what's happening and all the girls as they've been coming along, and I think there is some really nice talent there, and I hope they make it.
What do you think? Do you think there's scope for new and upcoming photographers to sort of make an association with this brand?
Well, I don't know about this brand, but definitely for new photographers. And I have been, I've been teaching at Indus, so I've been seeing all these new people walking into the field, and they are incredibly talented.
Thank you so much, and have a rocking time. Thank you. Faria, Altaf, how do you feel seeing this baby grow in front of you over the years?
इस साल मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. 6 designers हैं, international designer, Rashmi Ahmad, very excited for her. 3 new supermodels from Dubai. But I think I'm more excited about those 10 girls. उनमें से मुझे पता है कि 7 लड़कियाँ तो काम करेंगी. Because of their attitude, and they're great. Wish all of them the best. Wish all the designers the best also. And thank you, Wheat. Thank you. You're part of my life, my career, and I'm happy to see this event close.
Forever thankful to you for bringing such revolutions.
Thank you.
You're a superstar.
To add to the glam and the creativity of the pink carpet of Wheat, we have with us the brand manager himself. Hasib, how are you feeling now that you're seeing everything come to life?
It's a really good feeling. It's how the brand has grown and how this platform has come to age today. It makes a lot of sense.
Especially you, since you've seen it grow over the years and every year a new element has been added to the platform. I mean, do you think that what you had visualized is actually going to meet its goal?
Yeah, we're seeing the hard work coming to life, and the idea is to continue building on it year on year. Next year we'll probably be having 2 of these major events, and even bigger than this one. So it's about building year on year on what you've done, with the hard work you've done.
And now that music and fashion and now talent building has all fused together to bring about a celebration of beauty, what more can we expect from Veet in the coming years?
Well, we've got an international designer this year, we've got an international model, we've got one of the biggest superstars in terms of music in Ali Zafar. Next year will be a surprise. We'll have something new, but it will be a surprise.
Excellent words. Thank you so much. Glamorous woman herself, Shamaya. You've seen Veet grow in the Pakistani market. You've seen the kind of things that they have initiated. What's your expectation from the brand and from their initiatives this year in particular?
Veet is doing a phenomenal job, and I think they have a considerable amount of maturity now. Veet in the past years has done immense work in not only bringing new models to light, but also giving the designers an opportunity to showcase their capsule collections regularly.
What do you think the challenge lies in the pioneers of fashion who have been submitting new work to Pakistan? What potential does this platform hold for those?
I really appreciate the fact that somebody has taken upon themselves to actually bring young designers to the forefront. So I'm very proud to be one of the seniors to lead the youngsters. I think it gives them that energy, it gives them that confidence, and I'm happy to do that.
Excellent. Thank you so much for being with us on the pink carpet.
When you see that girl coming back up, she ain't your average chick back up. This is for the club, and this is for the people on the block. When you see that girl coming back up, she ain't your average chick back up. This is for the club, and this is for the people on the block.
Veet is sure to bring a lot more celebration and a lot more entertainment your way. Let's see what they have in store for us next. But keep watching and keep looking out for Veet.